Hi fellow foodies, my name is Angel and you guys are watching Angel's Video Diary. Today's video, I'm going to show you another delicious recipe. This is more like Edward's recipe, but I've done this a couple of times. Of course, I need to practice it and to learn how to cook it before I show it to you guys, right? And by the way, if you're new here, be sure to subscribe and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also to share this video to everyone you know. And make sure you watch until the end of the video because I have a surprise for you. It's my way of saying thank you for all your love and support, and my birthday is coming up. So basically it's gonna be my birthday giveaway. And also I'm giving a shout out to some of you guys, so you really have to watch until the end.
Let's buy some crawfish and shrimp. We'll add some ingredients as well. Now that we have everything, let's boil some water. Put enough water in the pot, leaving some room for the ingredients. Let it boil. Make sure to clean and wash the crawfish. Continue to wash the crawfish until the water is clear. And here's how to make the boil. You need 3 tablespoons of crawfish seasoning, 1 whole lemon halved and juiced, and 3 pieces of bay leaves. Once the water is boiling, put the crawfish seasoning. You can use Old Bay or just a regular crawfish seasoning. Now, put 3 tablespoons of crawfish seasoning. Then add 3 pieces of bay leaves. And put 1 whole lemon halved and juiced. Next, put the potatoes and corn. And let it boil for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, transfer the corn and potatoes in a large or deep bowl or container. It's time to cook the crawfish. Since we don't have a large pot, we'll cook the crawfish in batches. And make sure to put the shrimp last. You only have to cook the shrimp for 3 to 5 minutes. After 3 to 5 minutes, transfer the shrimp and crawfish into a large bowl. Here's how to make the crawfish and shrimp boil sauce. You need 2 tablespoons of crawfish seasoning, 3 tablespoons of garlic, 3 tablespoons of paprika, 3 tablespoons of olive oil or cooking oil, chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, 1 whole lemon halved and juiced, and a stick of butter. Heat up a sauté pan with olive oil and a stick of butter. Cut the butter into pieces to make the butter melt easier. Once the butter is melted, add the chopped onions. Sauté until translucent. Then add 3 tablespoons of garlic or more, depending on what you like. And don't overcook the garlic. Then add the spices. Start with 2 tablespoons of the crawfish seasoning. Then add 3 tablespoons of paprika. And 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. You can add more if you want, depending on your spice level, whatever you like. But this is what I like, and I just adjust accordingly to my taste preference. And don't forget to add the lemon juice. Mix all ingredients together. And now you can pour the sauce over your crawfish, shrimp, and vegetables. And serve hot. This is exactly how I want my shrimp to be cooked. You can easily peel off the shelf and not sticking to the meat.
There you have it. Thank you so much for watching another episode of Angel's Video Diary. You are awesome. And because you have been very amazing, I decided to give away something for my birth month, which is happening next month. And I'm actually showing you what I'm giving away now, but I will be announcing the winner next month, which is on July 13th, my birthday. And I'm really excited to give away these items. So let me show you. First, I am giving these amazing items from Clinique. Let me show you. You can't see. So yeah. So I bought this box right here a few months ago, you know, just to try it. And so I decided to buy another one to give away for my birthday. So let me just show you what's inside the box. Inside is going to be a gelato cream for hands, and it really smells so good. I really love it. Another item is going to be a gelato cream for body. Yes, a body cream. I use it every night before I go to bed so that I feel I would smell good for Edward and for myself as well. And last one is this Clinique Happy. It's I believe it's 10 ml. Yeah, so a Clinique Happy perfume. My favorite scent of all time. I really love this. I've been using it for years. So yeah, you're gonna get these items, and I will even throw in a sanitizer from Bath and Body Works, so you'll get that as well. All right, so there you go. That's the first item. And let me just show you something. I would usually buy this package because it has this 50 ml bottle, this perfume, and it also has this 10 ml perfume bottle. This is actually the perfect size if you're traveling, if you're going on a plane. It's very convenient. You can put it inside your purse, and it also has this body cream as well. Maybe in the future I'll give away something like this, definitely, if I can. So that's the first item. The first item. That means there's more. But wait, there's more. Let me give you a clue first. I love coffee. That's your clue. Perfect. So I love coffee, and I decided to give away something that's coffee related. So I bought this. I went to Starbucks earlier to buy this, and I actually went to 5 stores because I was looking for the rose gold one, the one that I have, but they didn't have it. But this is the best one that I saw today. So, are you ready? Are you ready to see it? All right, so in 3, 2, 1, ta-da! Yay! So I'm giving away this tumbler, the 16-ounce tumbler from Starbucks. And there's only one problem. I don't know how to give these items away. And that's why I am announcing it now that I'm giving away something for my birthday, because I need your help. Maybe you can help me. If you have any ideas as to how I should give away these amazing, these cool items on my birthday, hey, share your thoughts and comment down below. Let me know, okay? I have like a little over 2 weeks before my birthday. So once again, I am announcing the winner on my birthday, July 13th. So if you can give me any ideas, any thoughts as to how I should give away these items, go ahead and do so. and I will be waiting, okay? I'm gonna make another video for the mechanics as to how you can join this giveaway. So if you can help me out as soon as possible, I will post that video as soon as I can. All right, so there. And once again, thanks so much for watching this video, and don't forget, if you're new here, subscribe to this channel, okay? And speaking of new subscribers, I just want to say hi to Aaron John Cruz. So he told me to give him a shout out on my next video. So I am saying hi to you, and I'm gonna say hi on my next video to my new subscribers as well. So I haven't really looked into it yet. I know I haven't been acknowledging you guys, but promise from now on, I will be saying hi to you. Also, I am active on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, and my handle is @AngelsVideoDiary. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, yes, and also to share it to your friends and family. All right, so that's it for now, and until next time, see ya! Yay!